Hi everyone, it's Rebecca from The Healthy Gut, and today it is day 8 on the elemental diet for my SIBO treatment. Look, the whole week is crossed off. Yes, I made it. I did an entire week. Wow, there have been moments in that week when I really didn't think I was going to. So hallelujah. Just a quick recap on week 1. It was really tough. It was really emotional. I had some good days. I had some really bad days. But one of the reasons I'm doing the elemental diet, obviously to support my gut health, to reduce my SIBO, but also as an attempt to try and lose some of the excess weight that I have put on with SIBO. And I'm thrilled to let you know that I've lost 3.7 kilos or 8.1 pounds in a week. A week! That kind of weight loss can sometimes take me a couple of months. So that's been pretty amazing to lose it that quickly. So I'm really stoked about that. Something else that's happened today is I have woken up with a head cold. So I guess this is just part of this whole detox, clearing all the crap out of my system. I mean, I haven't been doing anything, so it's not like I've been around sick people. So I suspect this has just been hanging about in my system and my body is just flushing out all of the toxins and all the crap that is within me. So I'm a bit snuffly. I've been sneezing a lot, but it just is what it is. I'll just ride that wave. So day 8 has started off much better than the last 2 days. I'm feeling a lot better, feeling a lot more positive. It's really great to have a week down. 2 weeks ahead still feels like a really long time, but it's better than 3. Well, I'm halfway through day 8 and I've inadvertently just been doing a water fast today. I'm so kind of clogged up and stuffy in my head, but I'm feeling really good today, which is nice. I'm feeling really emotionally strong and really positive about this whole experience, and it's really nice to have a week down. I've just got back from a walk up the street with the dog, and I'm having my first elemental shake for the day. I've been water fasting for a lot of today, just so I don't have to taste this. But I am trying some fat again. I've put in 1/4 teaspoon of MCT oil. Fingers crossed my system can cope with that. So I'm starting really slow and we'll see what my threshold is. So here's to a shake with 1/4 teaspoon of MCT oil in it. Wish me luck. I'm managing to sit in the same room as Sam while he's eating his dinner. And the dinner he's eating is what I want for my first meal, chicken broth. So that's quite challenging. The mouthfuls of chicken soup.